What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Milana and Carly is currently recording, so her sexy ass is right there. But we're staying at the Marriott Grande Vista for my baby's 24th birthday, so we're gonna give you the likes and dislikes that we like about it and what we dislike about it, so here we go. So when you walk in, you got this beautiful ass kitchen to your left, and then you got this beautiful bathroom to your right. And then you walk down through here, you got your dining room, you got your living area, flat screen TV. Alright, so we're gonna head out to the balcony. We don't really got much of a view. That's one of the dislikes I don't like about it, is that there's a bunch of trees, so we don't really get a view. And it's in screened, I do like that. And it's got a fan and a light, so when you're out here at nighttime you can still see. So we're gonna come back into the living room and we're gonna head straight into the master bedroom. We only have one bedroom in here, but it is a pretty nice, I haven't sat on it yet. Oh, it's pretty comfy.
It looks pretty comfy.
Alright, it's pretty comfy. We got another TV right here. We'll probably be using that. You got a whole desk right there, which I like because you can do like work, laptop, anything you want. And then we come in here.
It's the best part.
This is the best part of the whole hotel. You literally could fit like 5 people in here, the way it is.
Rainfall shower head.
Rainfall shower head, very good lighting. They got a seat right here. And of course we got the wonderful, what would you call that? Like a light behind the mirror?
Yeah.
I like that. So like I saw a lot of people say that like the check-in was very hard and everything, and the check-in, literally me and you got through that in what, maybe like 10-15 minutes. So I don't know if like things have changed since like people have posted videos about this place, but I feel like the check-in wasn't like even that bad of a process.
It was really fast and she was super nice.
And then like another thing I like is that it's got like 6 or 7 pools here. From what I've heard, the spa like hot tub area is like kind of small. Overall, it's pretty nice.
6 of them, so we can check them all.
Yeah, we can check them all. So this is where you guys are going to be checking in at. They also have a whole security thing when you get in, so that's another like about this hotel. All right, guys, so we have walked to the other side of it. We found this bridge and we walked to the other side of it, and we didn't even know, but I don't know if you guys can see, but they have a whole little kids park over there.
The other half of the resort.
Yeah, this resort is honestly so big. You can rent over here, you can rent like kayaks, it looks like, to go on the water. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos.